Every time I take one step forward, seems like I fall 2 steps back. Every time I get my wheels moving, feels like they're coming off the tracks. There are times where I'd be lying if I said I did it all right. No regrets, never say die. Gonna give it all in this fight. This is my time. Won't quit, I'll just begun. This is my time. Won't stop till the battle's won. Will this game tries to break me? You'll see.
This is the BMW Motorrad R1250 GS in light white, racing red, and blue metallic. A solid companion for any ride and built to withstand the elements, it's been an icon for 4 decades and still continues to inspire and be recognized for its features. We are here at Pampanga Premier Cars BMW Motorrad showroom. Aside from being a successful luxury car brand, BMW is also famous for its motorcycles under BMW Motorrad.
In the Philippines, there are only 6 operational dealers locally, which is why we are really excited here today, since our special guest, Randy Viacrusis, is a well-known motorbike enthusiast who's been to huge international events. Can you tell us a bit about your business and how long have you been in this business?
Yeah, our company is Corby Construction Corporation. We're actually celebrated our 25th anniversary this year.
Okay.
So mostly we focus on our road construction.
Road construction.
We are a general contractor.
Okay.
Central Luzon.
Central Luzon.
Mostly our projects in Central Luzon. Yeah.
So it's, of all your projects, is there any particular project that you want to highlight or something that makes you really proud?
Yeah.
As a civil engineer
As a
too, right?
Civil engineer.
I am a civil engineer. Highlight of our company perhaps would be in Bataan, in Baga, because we recently completed a 15-kilometer road project. It's a farm-to-market road project by Department of Agriculture. So we got an award for it as the most excellent implementation.
Okay.
Nice.
That must be something.
Yeah.
So farm to market.
Yeah, farm-to-market.
So it becomes accessible sa mga farmers.
Yes.
To farmers. And basically to transport all their crops.
Yes, kasi may mga ano yun eh, more of yung area kasi yung mga tanim nila is cassava. So, ang project really ng government is for them to be accessible.
Yeah.
So, from farm to market.
Which makes them competitive, we suppose.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
it becomes easier for them.
Yes.
Because sometimes that's the most, one of the main roadblocks for the development of our farmers is
Correct.
lack of infrastructure. So
Correct.
to build something like a 15-kilometer road, farm to market road,
Yeah.
diba? It's something that
So,
really
ano rin, it sustains the town.
Oo.
Kasi more of inclusive growth na rin siya. Tinutulungan nila yung mga farmers nila. So that yung magiging price nila more parang competitive.
Yeah.
At the same time, yung
in the marketplace.
Yung marketplace, yes.
Okay. So, well, I think that's, if I were him, I would really be proud of that.
Yes.
Especially, I told you a while ago that my childhood dream is to become an agriculturist.
Agriculturist.
So, happy to hear that.
What keeps you going in this kind of industry? Especially, it's also people-oriented.
Yeah. Well, several reasons. First and foremost, for the family, because it's the company is our bread and butter. And second, the company was established by my parents. So, when I was young, the company provides to the family needs. So, after I graduated, yun nga, it's more of parang giving back.
Yeah.
Giving back to the company. And of course, you need to make it grow dahil kailangan mo rin magkaroon ng for the next generations to come. And second, for the employees, you feel responsible for them because they lean to the company's employment para dun sa mga necessities nila dun sa family. And one perhaps what keeps me going is our organization because it's a family-owned and
Family-run,
operated
yeah.
business. Eh. So I have my siblings, no? Their determination dun sa company to progress, to excel, to succeed, and yung employees namin, they are dedicated and commitment dun sa work, especially right now, in spite of this pandemic, nandun pa rin yung dedication nila. So it's more of I'm inspired to do my best for the company. Actually, I'm proud. I'm proud of our organization. I'm proud of them working with them.
I think that's really important, Nicolette, because when you try to protect the legacy of your parents, I think that's enough motivation.
Yeah.
Diba? Parang just to continue that, just to maintain that, at the very least, to maintain, if not really grow it.
Yes. Yung reason mo talaga mas higher regardless kung anong challenge.
So
you're
higher
facing.
purpose, that's what motivates
Right, higher
you.
purpose.
Okay. That's
Any
good.
advice you'd like to give other businessmen out there during this time of crisis?
My best advice that I can give them is perhaps to adapt. You know, sabi ko nga kanina, kasi yung before the start of the pandemic, may mga kanya-kanya tayong targets, no? So, they need to adjust their targets and revenues. Depends on the industry. If your industry is non-essential, mahirap i-push yung targets mo na yan. It's very risky, no? So, kailangan siguro magkaroon ng mental conditioning on how to approach this pandemic so that they can help or look for innovative ways to get revenues and income.
And for a busy person like you,
Diba?
syempre, meron din yan
Of
mga...
course, you need to have something that, outside of your work or family.
You do something for...
For your hobby or something,
Yeah.
something to make you, something that's relaxing. Diba?
Yeah.
Or go for an adventure
So-
for a while.
But,
Using your, of course, your BMW motorbike.
Yeah, the reason I bought a BMW motorbike is tama yung sinabi mo, it helps me relax. Kasi if you're really busy or stressed in work, there should
You
be
need
an
an
outlet.
outlet.
Yeah, you need an outlet. No? So for me, when I ride, it helps me relax and think so that recharge na ako for the next week naman ng work.
Okay. What made you choose BMW?
Well, for one, it's BMW. No? It's known for its
Speaks for itself.
Yes, highest standard of quality and functionality. And marami silang mga models to choose from. So I choose a GS Adventure because I needed a bike that is reliability. That's one. Second is yung comfort while riding. I wanted to ride on a long haul. So
Correct.
dapat yung suspension is good, if not the best.
Yeah. Okay.
Then it's a 35-liter tank capacity, so mahaba, or more 500 kilometers without stopping for refueling.
Wow. 500 kilometers.
Yes, oo. Then, syempre kung gusto mo talagang mag-carry ng extra stock with you, meron yun. May mga pannier siya, pwede mong lalagyanan ng mga gamit, kung meron kang mga overnight stay somewhere. And yung safety features, I think that's essential to choose a bike. You feel you're secured and safe while riding. No? And yung after sales. After sales.
Yes. How important is after sales for a BMW customer like you?
I've been a BMW customer for the past five years now, and I think Pampanga Premier Cars really captures the essence of customer service.
Okay.
Because each time I go here to have my unit service, I feel valued and important. So yeah, that's why I choose it.
So that explains why he comes all the way from Quezon City to buy his motorbikes, not only
In
motorbikes.
Pampanga.
In Pampanga,
Even
yeah.
car in
Wow.
Pampanga.
May kasama na ring ride kasi.
Okay.
So
alright.
it helps you.
It's a good incentive.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay, so later, what are we gonna do later?
I can't drive a motorbike. Too bad. It's
With your
an
outfit
achievement
like that.
waiting to be unlocked, I guess.
Okay.
So Rands, can we check some of the motorbikes here at Pampanga Premier Cars? Okay, let's go. So Jethro, Are there any advice that you can give, like for example, just like me, for a potentially first-time bike owner? So what are the important considerations that we have to take a look and probably consider basically?
It's very important, no, for a rider to have is gears, especially the helmet, the jacket, the gloves, the riding pants, and riding boots. No, this is to protect you. Although you have a safety bike na you're using, no, it has a safety feature also. You also have to at least put some gears to protect yourself.
Yeah, I think that's basic, no?
Yes.
Yeah, not only required by the law, for example, wearing of helmets on highways.
Yeah.
device-
Also, in addition, no, you also need to train yourself,
Okay.
especially with the basic motorcycle riding. We have schools in the Philippines that you can take this, no, para at least you have a background of having to train yourself in riding motorcycles. It's not that really easy, but it's gonna be more enjoyable.
Yeah. And here in Pampanga Premier Cars, you actually do those classes sometimes, right? Or there are some activities sometimes that we can see here at the
Yes.
Laus Group Event Center.
Yes.
Maybe you can
Actually,
touch a little bit
Yeah,
about that.
actually we've done training also for the beginners. We've trained beginners here at the Laos complex. As part of the BMW program, we need to do trainings, especially for the BMW motorcycles, in which I am one of the instructors certified by BMW. So we can also provide those trainings.
To ensure optimum grip and superior handling at all times, you can choose from its 7 riding modes suitable for any road trips you take. For sure, you'll be a master of any driving situation with confidence.
Enjoy unmatched performance as it sports a 1,254 cubic centimeter 2-cylinder boxer engine with 136 horsepower at 7,750 revolutions per minute. Wow! That's made to power through any course and track. You can feel the boxer engine in every speed range, as it offers impressive performance with more smoothness at low rotational speeds. Its shift cam, a BMW cutting-edge technology, ensures more powerful torque development, providing greater control in every riding situation.
You've got the perfect illumination with its adaptive headlights that switch on automatically when the vehicle is tilted. The multifunctional rear LED flashing turn indicators ensure an eye-catching appearance and even greater visibility. It also has additional equipment such as seat heating to give you extra comfort for sheer driving.
With this GS, discovery knows no bounds. Its continuously optimized technology and extensive equipment will take you safely, dynamically, and comfortably over any route. Aside from getting to experience different landscapes, different sceneries, what other benefits do you get from riding a bike?
Well, on a business sense, I actually meet new friends that has some requirements based on our capabilities as a construction industry. So at the same time, I meet new people along the way that
Make new friends.
No? So somehow it in a way a market from our company to their requirements.
Okay. So you basically expand your network because of this, from being just a hobby to a place where you can connect with other people.
Yeah,
Oh,
and
that's
my circle of network of friends increases. So at the same time, the chances are of having new jobs and projects comes along with.
So these are the relationships that actually can last for a lifetime, di ba? Sometimes you just enjoy this certain activity, you do it together, then you never know until and how so many years you establish friendships, di ba?
That's right.
Anything, but baka you might need anything, you can just...
Future.
Yeah, that's right. In turn, I may need something from them, so at least I can get in touch. Yeah.
Well, I think that's a great benefit, right? Aside from just being a hobby, I mean, it's also becoming an opportunity to network with your business
all
partners
aspects.
in all
Yeah.
aspects.
So, Rance, you've been to several destinations in the Philippines, but what is your dream loop here in the Philippines?
I haven't done a Philippine loop, so wherein you go around Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So in the next future to come, as long as it's already allowed, I plan to do it.
Wow. So from Luzon to Mindanao.
Yes.
So
a
with
great
your
challenge.
GS 1250, you can do that.
No
Especially
problem.
if it's efficient.
Comfortable. Right?
And it
Comfortable,
screams
right?
power
Oh.
when you need it.
Yeah.
Wow, that's I think that's good. So, of course, traveling from Luzon, Visayas to Mindanao, road conditions may vary,
That's right.
di ba? And sometimes the weather may vary.
That's right.
You know, how do you manage that? I mean, how are there any ways where your motorbike can adjust to any condition?
Yeah, there is. Actually, the bike is equipped with different riding modes.
Riding modes.
Yeah, for
okay.
example, if it's in summer, if it's sunny, then it's a regular road mode. If suddenly it rains, then you just press a button, and the mode is in rain. So the throttle response would be different.
Okay.
So it's more of a controlled ride, so that you could be safe in case of the road is slippery.
Wow. So the bike can adjust
That's right.
to ensure that you're still safe.
Yes.
Wow.
Find Motorrad must-haves for you and your GS here at their showroom. They have the best riding and style apparel for any weather or adventure. For extra comfort, especially on long tours, there are accessories and gear that you can easily avail of here. No hassle when it comes to BMW services for your bike, as it is proven to be fast and efficient, plus you'll be always welcomed by their friendly Motorrad staff. You're in for a treat if you buy this October, since the R1250 comes with a personal luggage set that is perfect for your journeys. Receive a free sturdy Vario top box and side panniers for your GS, and for your GSA, you'll get a free Atacama soft bag set. Are you ready for action with a BMW R1250 GS? Satisfy your thirst for adventure and visit Pampanga Premier Motorrad, ground floor CGIC Building, Abad Santos Avenue, City of San Fernando. Meet these sales representatives who are excited to be part of your journey in the BMW Motorrad family. Mark Anthony Fernandez, Datu Sinsuat, Dennis Jethro Castro. Like and follow their Facebook page, Premier BMW Motorrad-Pampanga.
Looks like you want more of this motorbike, Nicolette.
Definitely, Ariel.
So, are you convinced that the R1250 GS is perfect for your adventure?
What are you waiting for? Visit us here at Pampanga Premier Motorrad. Let us know in the comments if you have any requests for our next feature.
Join us again next Saturday at 8:30 p.m. for another exciting episode.
Make sure to subscribe here on CLTV 36 because we will be presenting more videos of different brands which might be your next ride.
I'm Ariel de la Cruz.
I'm Nicolette Henson-Hizon.
And this is Stories on Wheels.